Is he there? Okay. What's this much? Alright. So, hey guys, what's up? Sorry for the weird thing, I had to. But today, we are making overhauls mask. Now, the one I made is a bit big, but that's fine. So basically, I pre-made this one. Sorry, sound my usual intro. I just wanted to make something weird. I don't know why. But anyways, this video is about making overhauls mask and how I made it. Is this version, if you'll see in my last video, part 4 of making present mics portable speakers. I'll have to sound for a sec. Okay. So if you saw this at one video, I made portable speakers. Those are dirtied up, which you'll see how to do it. If you guys know how to do it, that's great. For this one, you can dirty it up if you like. I am not going to this time around. But you guys can if you like. Anyways, yeah, so this video I'm making the mask. This is going to be part 1 of it. So in this one, I am going to be making the actual build and showing you the templates I already created to make that. So yeah, enough rambling. Sorry, we're in a weird entry. I had to. But anyways, on to the video. Okay, so what you'll need for it, I just had to drop that guy. So basically what we're making is this. As you can see, I already made him. As I just need to test out, this is the first time I'm making this kind of thing. But I have a majority of it figured out, so yeah. I'll show you what you guys need to do that. So first of all, for the base, you'll want like a nice piece. You can use EVA foam, or in my case, I'm using thick foam because this is going under the jaw. So this piece will be using this one right here, as you would see when I start going over the templates. And of course, all like the minor little bits and all that. So put it over there. And then what you'll need because the template, what it is, it took up 2 pieces. And you might need more depending on the size of your foam and the size you're going for. But you need 2 pieces of, I forgot the size I have picked for this, of foam, which of course you'll be able to tell the difference between each side because it's colored very differently. But yeah, so this is basically what you'll need. For the major bit of forming the base, we'll really take 1. But then you'll need this part, which I purposely do pick yellow because that goes right here. Now that adds to the swoop because that will also, if you guys have any kind of like contact stuff, great. Unfortunately, I don't have that because I am cheap. This is the reason I make my own stuff. For this bit right here. Now, this is just one long piece of foam right here on him, and I just put the circles on top of that. Now, if you guys are young and work on this, please be worried that we are using heat. Again, we're using heat because you have to form the bottom to curve it enough to morph it. And to morph this bit right here. Of course, you can see I originally used green on the inside, and again, the same white right there. But yeah, so basically, if you're doing this, please have an adult with you. Don't burn yourselves. I've burnt myself making this already. That was fun. But yeah, please don't burn yourselves. It sucks. But yeah, that's the majority of the material that you would require, of course. As you're seeing me doing this, you could copy my templates. You can make your own sizes, but it's in general showing you how to necessarily make it. But now I'm going to move on to the heat area, the heat station, so you kind of know what supplies you might need or use, or even if you need an adult. Alright, so okay, welcome to the heat station. Of course, I have this over here because I was using that earlier to make some pieces. So what you'll want to do glue-wise, I have a heat gun right over here, but you'll want hot glue. Now, this is currently not plugged in for reasons. So I'm going to try to plug it in now so it's nice and warm. But you don't want to plug it in for too long because when you start, you're getting very close to the hot glue itself because you have a higher chance of burning yourself. But to help morph things to how like you want them to look in general, heat gun. Of course, this is powered off right now, as you can tell. There's no red lights going on. Yeah, so this guy's powered off right now. Please be careful with this guy. Don't leave it on the phone for too long or else you can melt it. Also, be careful. Do not touch the tip when it's heated, because you can actually burn yourself that way. But supplies, though, for this, while that's warming up, is, of course, hot glue. And basically what we'll use a hot glue for is because you need to create an attachment piece. I use elastic, this kind of elastic. I have lots of it. I'm trying out, I'm doing a different attachment. But yeah, so what you'll need is also elastic. Forgot to mention that. And that's over at the cutting station. So basically, yeah. So basically, you'll want this stuff. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, so let's go. I went ahead and did the straps right after I attached them. Because everyone has different style of latching on. For me, if you could see this clearly, I've done these connected to the top part of this. I made these separately. I don't know how you guys are going to want to attach it. Everyone's unique in that way. And then I'm going to under my jaw. So that's where this will kind of sit on my face, staying in place. But anyways, these are the results for so far. Next video for part 2 is the painting, which I want to end up doing later today. Well, because it's also the weekend. Here's it to the side. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and press the button down below that says subscribe. Make sure to press the bell next to make sure it goes ding so you can hit notify when we post our video.